How to make or create Ubisoft account on your device. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create an account on Ubisoft. In order to create a Ubisoft account, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice. You can also use the application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.accounts.ubisoft.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. This is a direct link, so it's going to take you to the login or sign up field. If you already have an account, enter in your credential, log in into your account. Since our topic is based on create an account, so click on create an account, which is right on top. Now to begin with the registration process, you'll need to provide an email address, and you also need to confirm your email address by typing in twice. After that, create a password and you need to create a username, and then to verify your age, you'll need to provide in your date of birth. Now quickly enter in all of these information. Then providing in all of this information, scroll down and then mark on this box in order to accept the terms and condition, and click on create a Ubisoft account, which is right at the bottom. In order to verify your email address, a verification code has been sent, so you need to open up your Gmail and then check for the verification. As you can see that I've received a verification code. Now you need to copy this verification code and then paste it on the other page. As soon as you're done entering your verification code, click on create account, which is right at the bottom. If you're unable to receive a verification code, then you can just tap on send once again or send back new code, and then you might be able to receive a new verification code once again. So here you go, that the account has been created. Now you can explore all of these information. Right on top, this is your username, and that is how you can create your Ubisoft account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.